Hello friend, in this video lecture we will discuss about determinant, minor, cofactor and adjoint of matrix. So first of all we start from determinant of matrix. See, we have the two linear equation. In these two equation we eliminate the value of x and y. So for that we simplify. A1x is equal to minus b1y. Similarly here a2x is equal to minus b2y, and then b1 is divided. See, then we get the equation a1 upon b1 is equal to a2 upon b2. See, just wait. A1 x is equal to minus b1 y. Here it can be written as a1 divided by b1 is equal to minus y upon x. X is divided. Similarly here, second equation a2x is equal to minus b2y. Then a2 divided by b2 is equal to minus y upon x. Substitute this value here. Substitute value of y upon x minus y upon x here. Then we get expression a1 upon b1 is equal to a2 upon b2. That is, we eliminate the value of x and y. Okay, so when we simplify, then a1 is multiplied to the b2 and b1 is multiplied to the a2, then we get the simplified form. Okay, and we write this form in a compact form, and this compact form is called as a determinant of the second order, and the number a1 a2 b1 b2 is called element of determinant, and a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1 is called the value of the determinant. Similarly, we make it general form, that is, capital A is a square matrix of order n having the element aij. These are the aij element where I is row and j is column. The order of this matrix is n, that is n by n. Okay, and the determinant of this matrix is denoted by mod of A. Okay, let us take the example. Find the determinant of the following matrix. A is equal to first example, let A is equal to capital A is equal to determinant of capital A is equal to 12, 3, 5 and 1. What is the definition of the determinant? See, that is A1 into B2 minus A2 into B2, means this cross product minus this cross product. So it can be written as 12 into 12 into 1 minus 5 into 3. 5 into 3. Then we get 12 minus 15, that is minus 3. Now the second example, determinant of second matrix is equal to minus 3, 9, 18, minus 6. Now here we can direct apply the method minus 3 into minus 6 and 18 into 9. See, here if you observe, there is some term is a common is there. See here 3 is common, here 6 is common. Okay, so for simplification we can take the common term also, then we can we get the easily step. We take here 3 is common from first row. See, in second row what will be the common term? There is a 6 is common term. The remaining term is here. When we take 3 is common, then minus 1 is remaining. Here 3 is remaining. In second row we have taken 6 is common, that is 3 is remaining, that is 6 into 3 18, and here minus 1 is remaining, that is 6 into 3 18 in bracket minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, minus 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is equal to here we get 18 in bracket minus 1 into minus 1 1 minus 3 into 3 9, that is 18 into minus 8. We get 18 into 8, that is 144, and this minus sign, that is 144. Okay, otherwise we can direct solve this matrix as usual method. See, same matrix I am solving the proper method instead of taking the common. Minus 3 9 18 minus 6, or 9 minus 3 into minus 6 minus 9 into 18 is equal to 6 minus 3 into minus 6 minus plus, that is 18. Now minus 18 into 9, 18 into 9, that is 162 is equal to 18 minus 162, that is minus 144. So here we use the determinant property. We can take the number, common number from row, otherwise from column. It depend on the example. Here we have taken the 3 common from first row and 6 common from the second row. Then we get the simple calculation instead of this complicated calculation. Now the next element, sorry, next example, example number 3. Example number 3, that is A is equal to, determinant of A is equal to 0 3 0 1, that is 0 into 1 minus 3 into 0, that is 0 minus 0, that is 0. So remember, in matrix, in determinant, if there is at least one 0 row or at least one column 0, then its determinant is 0. Also remember, if there is a triangular matrix is there, triangular means there is upper triangular, yeah, lower triangular. See here. Suppose we have taken the example, let us take the example of 2 by 2 matrix of upper triangular 1 2 3 and 0. This is the upper triangular matrix. So here the product in a triangular matrix, it may be upper, yeah, it may be a lower triangular matrix. Then product of the diagonal element is determinant of that matrix. So here the determinant of the matrix is 1 into 3, that is 3. Okay, so remember, if there is a triangular matrix is there, then the determinant of that matrix is product of diagonal element. So take the example of, let us take the example of 3 by 3 matrices. So before proceed this, let us introduce the minor of the element. We use the minor method here. So what is the minor of the element? See, minor of the first element. See, we have the first element here. Minor of this first element is obtained by deleting row and column. Deleting row and column. The remaining determinant is a minor of that particular element. Okay, you can take any element. See here, minor of these two element. Minor of the two element is what? Deleting row and column. See here, just wait. Minor of two element. What is the definition? Deleting row and column intersect by that element, then remaining term. What is remaining term? 1 2 0 minus 1. This is the what? Minor of 2. Now see the minor of the this element. Minor of this element, deleting row and deleting column. Okay, the remaining matrix is 2 3 0 and 2. This is the minor of this 0 element. Okay, now let us solve the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So here we use minor method. So we reduce this matrix 3 by 3 matrix. This is the 3 by 3 matrix to the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Let determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. 0 minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minor of 1. Minor of 1 is obtained by deleting row and column, that is 0, 2, minus 1 minus 3. Now minus 2 plus, keep the plus minus sign, plus minus in this way. 2. Now calculate the minor of 2, deleting row and the column. The remaining term minus 1, 2, 0, minus 3. Now next sign is plus. And take this element 3. Now it's minor, deleting row and the column. Deleting row and column, the remaining matrix, remaining determinant, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay. Now 1 into determinant, that is this determinant, minus 3 into 0, minus 2 into minus 1. This is simplification of first term, minus 2, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 2 into 0. Now plus 3, minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, minus 0 into 0. So we get here 3 into 0, that is 0, minus 1, and this minus sign, minus minus, plus 2. Okay, minus. Now here minus 3, this is minus 3 and minus 1, that is plus 3, minus, that is 0. Now plus minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, plus 1 minus 0. So here 2, this minus 2 into 3, minus 6, plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 6, so we get minus 1. So this is the minor method. Calculate the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Here, suppose if there is a 4 by 4 matrix is there. 4 by 4 matrix is there. Suppose this is A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44. Determinant of this 4 by 4 matrix is obtained by same method. So calculate minor of this element, minus sign, then minor of this element, plus sign, then minus sign. Then that time what happened? This 4 by 4 matrix reduced to the 3 by 3. Okay. See here, we reduce this 3 by 3 matrix to the 2 by 2 matrix using minor method. Similarly here, this 4 by 4 we reduce to the 3 by 3, and then 3 by 3 reduced to the 2 by 2. Okay. Now let us take the same kind of example. 1 minus 2 minus 3 first row, second 1 5 minus 2, and last 1 minus 2 3. Then determinant of the matrix is equal to 1 into minor of 1, that is deleting row and the column, then the remaining determinant, minus, and keep this minus 2. Now minor of the minus 2, deleting row and column, that is 1 minus 2, 1, 3. Now plus 3 1 1 1 1 and 5 minus 2, okay, is equal to 1 into determinant is determinant, so we simplify just determinant. 5 into 3, 15, minus minus, and this 2 minus sign, there are 3 times minus sign, then keep minus sign as it is, okay, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. Getting it? This product minus this product, minus and this 2 minus sign, 3 time minus sign, that is odd time minus sign. If odd time minus sign is there, then keep minus sign as it is. Now here minus 2 and minus 2, that is plus 2. Now in bracket 3 into 1 is 3, minus this product, the product is minus 2, and here minus sign, minus minus plus. Now 3, here product is minus 2 and minus 5 into 1 is 5 and minus, okay, is equal to 15 minus 4, that is 11, plus 2 plus 3, 5, 5 into 2, that is 10. Now next minus 7 into 3, that is minus 21, okay, is equal to, now 11 plus 10, that is 21, and minus 21, so we get the 0 value. So in this way we calculate determinant of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. Now next, see, we have solved determinant, then we come across the some result. See, in first problem, when there is a 0 row, otherwise 0 column, then the determinant is 0. If there is a triangular matrix is there, then the product of the determinant is product of the diagonal. Now when we take the, when if we observe common element in row, a column, okay, then we take the common element is outside the determinant. So from this observation we write the some remark is here. If triangular matrix is there, then the product of diagonal element, then determinant is the product of diagonal elements, okay. Determinant of A and its transpose is same, okay. Now determinant of scalar number, see, we apply this property, but we use the, in a different row, we take the different element common. If throughout same element is there, then k raised to n is there into determinant, okay. Now determinant of A into B is same as determinant of A into determinant of B. If A is a square matrix containing identical row or column, if there is at least 2 row or 2 column at least same, then determinant is 0, okay. Similarly, if there is a 0 row or 0 column is there, then determinant is 0. Now next, minor. We have actually discussed the minor. Minor of an element of matrix is a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column from the determinant. It is denoted by Mij. And the cofactor of the matrix, cofactor of an element is denoted by Aij, is defined as Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j. This is the position of that matrix into Mij. Mij means minor of that matrix. Okay, let us take the example. See, the question is find the minor and cofactor of the following matrices. Here, first of all, we calculate the minor. Minor of first element. See, A is equal to 12, 3, 5, 1. It can be written as Suppose instead of that I'm taking here A11, A12, A21, A22. Now minor of A11 for this matrix, minor of A11 is equal to deleting row and column, deleting row and column, that is 1. Okay, see here we have denote the symbol. The symbol is Mij. So this is the minor is M11. M11 is 1. Similarly, minor of the second element of the first row, that is M12. M12 is deleting row and column, that is 5. Minor of the first element of the second row, that is M21 is equal to deleting row and column, that is 3. Minor of last element, that is second element of the second row, deleting row and column, that is 12. Okay, then what will be the cofactor of the matrix, cofactor of the element? What is the definition? Cofactor, see, cofactor we denoted by Aij. Cofactor of an element denoted by Aij. So we write here Aij matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, that is A, and Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. If this addition is even, then we write plus sign. If the addition is odd, then we write minus sign. See the position here. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. This is the even position. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is the odd position. Okay. The first element A11 is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. We get M11 we have calculated, that is 1, and minus 1 raised to 2 is plus 1. Now next A12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12 is equal to M12 we calculated, that is 5, and here the addition of this power is odd, that is 3. Then keep the minus sign as it is. Now A21 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, M21 is equal to M21 is calculated, that is 3, and keep the minus sign as it is. Now last A22, that is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, M22 is equal to M22 is 12, and the sign is positive. Okay, otherwise remember plus minus, minus plus, plus minus, minus plus. Okay, so these are the minor and cofactor of element of the first matrix. Now second matrix, again we use same method, same formulas. A is equal to minus 3, 9, 18, minus 6. The minor of first element is M11 is equal to deleting row and column, minus 6. Now M12 18, deleting row and column. M21 is 9, and last M22 is equal to minus 3, that is deleting row and column. Now these are the minor, okay. Now cofactor Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j Mij. That is A11 is minus 1 raised to I plus j M11. Okay, that is minus 6, and this 1 plus 1, see this is the 1 plus 1, that is 2, minus 6 is there. Once you calculated the minor, then there is no need of this writing. Just keep the sign as a plus minus minus plus. See, a12, a21, a22 is equal to is equal to is equal to. Now keep your minus sign, minus sign. First and last. See, this is the first and last. Keep the positive side. Now this is the 18. Now this is the 9, and this is the minus 3 as it is. We keep this term as it is. So these are the cofactor. After calculating the minor, immediately you can write the cofactor. Just remember plus minus, plus minus minus plus. See here, plus, this is the plus side, minus minus plus. Now calculate the minor and cofactor of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so here minor of first element. Now I'm calculate the minor of the first element, first matrix, that is matrix number 4, that is m11, m11. See here, deleting row and column, the determinant of this matrix, that is 0, 2, minus 1, minus 3. So we get this is 0, and this minus and minus, we get the 2. Now next, m12, m12 deleting row and column, the remaining determinant is minus 1, 2, 0, minus 3. So here minus minus plus, minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3, and this one is 0. Now next, m13, m13 deleting row and column, so we get minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So we get minus into minus 1, that is the plus 1. Now next, second row, m21, m21 is equal to deleting row and column. This is the m21 deleting row and column, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 3. Okay, this is minus 6, and plus 3, that is minus 3. Now next, m22, deleting row and column, that is 1, 3, 0, minus 3. So we get this is minus 3, and this product is 0. Now next, m23 is equal to deleting row. This is the m23 deleting row and column, that is 1, 2, 0, minus 1, that is minus 1. Now last row, m31, this is the m31 deleting row and column, that is 2, 3, 0, 2, 2 into 2, 4, and this cross multiplication is 0. Now m32 is equal to minor of this element deleting row and column, that is 1, 3, minus 1 and 2, that is plus 2 and plus 3, that is 5. Now last, m33 minor of this element deleting row and column, that is 1, 2, minus 1 and 0 is equal to, this is the 0, minus and this minus and minus minus plus. Now cofactor, once we calculate minor, then cofactor are very easy. What is the cofactor? Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. Okay, now here in 3 by 3 matrix, the sign is very easy. See, I am writing here sign. The first sign is plus, minus, plus. How the plus here? Because this is the position as a A11, this is A12, and this is A13. The addition here E1, this is the addition is odd, minus 1 raised to I plus j naught. This addition, okay, this is the odd, that's why minus. Here 1 plus 3 is 4. Now here this is the position A21, that is minus, plus, minus. Now here A31, that is the plus, minus, plus. Okay, So immediately we write the numbers as it is of minor, and then accordingly we attach this plus minus sign. Now see the A11 is 2, A1 2. I'm write the sign after complete the total entries. A1 2 is 3, A1 3 is equal to 1. Now A21, A21 is minus 3, A22 is equal to minus 3, A23 is equal to minus 1, A31 A31 is equal to 4, A32 is equal to 5. Now A33 is equal to 2. Now this is the plus, now here minus, plus minus, and minus minus plus, so this is the plus sign. Now here plus sign, keep this sign as it is. Now minus 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 plus, now here plus, here minus, so this is the required cofactor. Okay, these are the cofactor of element. Similarly, we can find the minor and cofactor of the second element. Okay, getting it? So this is the process of finding determinant, minor and cofactor of an element. Okay.